Y'all, what's going on? This is another little update. First thing I'm gonna say is I got me a brand new tripod for my tablet, and I think it's tronixpro. That's who I got it from. Let's see if I can get it. I think it's tronixpro is where I got it from, and what it is, it's a holder for my tablet, and it also comes with a smartphone holder and a push button to take pictures, plus a cloth to wipe down the screens and all that when they get dirty. It's only $9.99. Got all three items. Actually 4. You got the tripod for the tablet, which is, I can say it's definitely thick plastic. I'm using it right now for my tablet now. Plus, I got a little cloth to wipe down the screens and all that. Plus it comes with a push button that's right there, that's Bluetooth, which I'm going to eventually hook that up. And then you got your smartphone holder right here that goes into a tripod. And like I said, $9.99. Can't beat that. Well worth the price. I give it 5 stars. If you're looking for something that's built tough, go check them out. They're on Amazon. Like I said, there it is again. Definitely worth checking it out. That's me moving my tripod. Alright, first thing you see here is all painted. Or it's not painted, but drywall, mud. This half right here is sanded down from this point right here over, sanded down. Matter of fact, you can see my floor of all the dust. I decided to go ahead and sand it down like that. I eventually did the other side over there also. Move some stuff there, lay it down flat after I vacuum up and everything. But this right here is definitely the spot that's got to be vacuum up now. Plus, as you see that corner right there, I mudded that, mudded my screws, mudded this right here. I got to let that dry, sand it down, and then over here on this side I did the same thing. I mudded that, mudded my screw holes, mudded this corner right here, and as you see, I got this side of the layout with my terminal blocks done. Terminal block is right about there. That's done. Come over here, that one's done, and the last one over here is done right there. You can see the white dust on my bench work. I gotta go up there and take that. I would get in a screenshot, but I just got done sanding and I look awful. I don't want to break my camera or my video getting a picture of me right now. But it feels free to have both hands free. Next gold, I've already sanded. Let's see. Trying to loosen this so I can spin it around. I've already got this wall sanded down all the way over there, including this section over here, sanded down. Got little spots right here I'm going to touch up a little bit more with a sander. Other than that, I'm happy with it. I'm going to get my paint, and after I sand this spot down, sand that down, sand the other side of this down. Also did this 2 corners right here. Did this corner and that corner of my door. Shouldn't have done that, but wanted to get a little bit decent. Let that dry, and then it'd be ready for paint. I still gotta do the wires over here. Get out the way a little bit here. Hey, this is pretty sweet. Let me focus down. I still gotta run my wires for here. The terminal blocks on this side, going all the way around. Got another terminal block right there, and one more at the other end past the trash cans for my saltwater aquarium. And let's see, that's pretty much about it. I got a little more spots up there to sand down to make it look halfway decent. Apparently I skipped it, but that's pretty much it. Like I said, the bench work is done. I'm just doing some little touch-ups here and there. Getting the wire over there, it's going to be a little bit harder, because I still got to put the wire together, and I got to pull it over that way to that direction. And I think that's going to be about it. And then it'll go on to after I clean up and all that, and after I paint. Because like I said, the next thing is painting, and after I do that, I will start doing the, put my plywood down, tracing out where my let track is going to go, and then I'll cut that out and do my risers and all that stuff, and then just going to soldering my tracks, putting them on, and all that stuff. So just want to let you see what's going on. I just got up here about an hour and a half ago. Finished my 3-wire terminals right here. Still got one more to make up for the main side for here over on the other side of that wall. Still got to make that up. And then I sand it down. Did a little bit more of that mud right there. That's not bad for an hour and a half, and then get on here for I don't know how long. I can't see my time right now. But that's pretty much it. Just want to keep y'all up to date, and I guess until next time, please like, share, comment, and all that good stuff. Have a good day.